Tired of payroll headaches and HR nightmares eating away at your business profitability? Today, we are diving deep into ADP to see if this popular platform is really worth the cost for your business. We're breaking it down in 3 key areas: features, pricing, and user experience. First, the features. ADP boasts a comprehensive suite, handling everything from basic payroll processing, including taxes and direct deposits, to more advanced functions like time and attendance tracking, benefits administration, and even HR support. Notice the intuitive interface for managing employee information and running payroll reports. Next, let's talk money. ADP's pricing is notoriously complex and varies depending on your business size, specific needs, and chosen modules. Generally, you'll pay a monthly base fee plus a per-employee fee. Compare this to alternatives like Gusto or Square Payroll, considering their transparent pricing structures. Make sure to get a quote specific to your company to see the true cost. Finally, the user experience. While ADP offers robust functionality, some users find the platform overwhelming and the customer support lacking. Look closely at reviews noting pros like scalability and cons like system complexity. Consider a free trial or demo to see if it fits your workflow. So, is ADP worth it? The answer depends on your business needs and budget. If you're a large enterprise with complex HR requirements and can afford the higher price tag, ADP may be a good fit. However, smaller businesses with simpler needs might find better value and a more user-friendly experience with alternative platforms.